In this DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I will show you how to create a circular or ellipse shaped crop. We'll also show you how to resize this and reposition this over another video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Resolve. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Brought a couple of clips into Resolve and they're the same length as well. So if I wanted to create a circular clip of this video or an ellipse shaped clip, what you need to do is come down to Fusion, this is at the bottom of the screen, and select this. And this will bring up the node editor. Now across the top here, what you're looking for is something that's actually called Ellipse. Select this and this will connect this ellipse node here. As you can see, it's already come up as a circle. Now you can reposition the circle using the arrows here or holding down your left mouse button. So let's say I wanted to reposition this slightly over, I'll just drag this so it's, I don't know, we'll place it here. You can also resize your clip, although there isn't a link. So if you wanted to resize, say, the width, let's say I wanted to make an elliptical shape clip, I'd have to adjust this in this direction, or I can come this way. If I wanted to have a circular clip, so let's say I'll reduce this down to this size, I have to match the height the same. So width and height match it the same. So that's fine. I'm going to go with this. As I said, you can move your crop using this ellipse center point and your left mouse button. Now to reposition the clip, I'm going to go back to Edit and then switch the inspector on. This is this tab at the top here. If it's not already switched on, make sure that the chain link is on so it's highlighted, and you can change the size of your cropped clip by holding your left mouse button down and moving your mouse. So that's the sort of size I'm going to work with. And the next thing you need to do is position. So you do this in your X and Y. So just hold your left mouse button down and drag your clip over to the position you want on the X axis, and then up and down on the Y. And that's basically all there is to it. There are other settings you can play around with. I won't go into those. This is just a short tutorial on basic crop. And then you just go ahead and render your video. You may want to change your audio, but that's something I won't go into on this particular tutorial. So just basically go ahead and render your video. Hopefully that's helped someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.